Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay Roberts and this is Make Money with Video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to advertise your books. Yeah, so when you make your KDP books, instead of just waiting for Amazon's traffic or Amazon's buyers to come and buy a book, I'm going to show you a way you can advertise your book. Yeah, so just a quick one. This is my channel. I show how to make printables, how to do KDP, and how to make money with video on various social medias. Feel free to come and check out my channel. I've got lots of videos. I'm still an small channel, but feel free to come have a look. So let's jump into it, guys. I'm going to go over to Video Creator. Now you've probably seen this on some of my previous videos, but there's some cool videos, yeah. So I normally show you about these flip books, 3D flip books. We're not showing that today, guys. I'm going to show you. You can come down to lots of different ones, but if we look at let's say this one, live action videos, yeah. So as you can see, it's people. You can watch any of these, check them out. You can use which one, but I kind of like these ones, guys, where there's girls popping up, yeah, especially this one. So I'm going to show you a quick preview, yeah. Basically, this pops up. So let's use this template, yeah, and it shows you this. You choose your audio. You can choose whichever audio you want. We're going to concentrate on the images. So this is image one. You can change the background of that, but we're just going to keep that and change this one. So we'll do one. I'm going to advertise one of my books, yeah. So, for instance, this one, yeah. Let's just click this. Not sure what it's going to look like, but yeah, it fits nice and perfect, yeah. So let's select it. Yeah, nice yellow and yellow background. I don't know if it's going to go, but we'll proceed. Yeah. Right, and then another one, guys. Let's have a look for another video I can show you. Look at intro videos. Yeah, so this one here. Let's have a look. So this one's easy. You just choose one image. Yeah. What we'll do, we'll choose a different. So these are my books and that. So I like this one here. Yeah. Yeah. Let's do this one. Don't know how it's going to look. Yeah, just edit it how you want it. Select. Yeah, and then proceed. That's how easy it is, guys. That's 2 videos. Now, I'm going to show you, if I can find them. I made these earlier, testing them out, guys. So, guys, sorry. That's just a nice, turn the noise down. So if we can just, let's see if I can show you on the actual. Yeah, so we'll copy. Here's the one I made earlier. Yeah, the girl pops up, and she shows you like book off. So I've just done another one. So come off that one, and then another one I made was this one, guys, with the sand. Not look, kind of like reveals it. Yeah, it's quite good, isn't it, guys? So that's what I've just made here. So this one's not more or less completed already. It's gone quite quick. It can take a little while, but while you're doing that, you just come back on to create video, and you just look through them, guys. There's lots of different ones. I don't know, like special events. Like another good one, guys, is like your e-commerce. I'm not sure. I've not found one yet. I've not looked for them all, but you can put your books like on instead of these products, you can change, because you can edit all this. Like you can change the name, this, all that. Yeah. These scroll stopper ones are quite good. Not sure how we can use it for our book. Maybe, I don't know, maybe if you do like an animal book, colouring book or something, or a farm animals, yeah, maybe you can put your book here and then have this pig or whatever it is walking across. Yeah, it's a pig. Yeah. If you do like an army one, an army colouring book or something, maybe that, or SWAT police, I should say. A wolf, one for your Valentine's Day. Yeah, so when Valentine's Day and you're making all your books, that's a good idea. Your food ones, you could put your food ones. Yeah, so you could do, guys. And then your slideshows and that. Like birthday ones and that. So if you make birthday ones, there's all sorts, guys. There's so many. It's worth checking out anyway, guys. Let's go and see if my videos are ready. Yeah, this one's ready. So let's see how it turned out. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Like you say, you can change the two different backgrounds. You've got two images for change. Oh, this one's done now. So let's see. It's quick, that, guys, isn't it? So let's have a look at this one. It's just, I just find it a different approach. Yeah, instead of having the same kind of like images on the screen, yeah, you've got videos and it'll catch people's attention. People love watching videos. So that is it for today's video, guys. I will leave the link if you want to check out Video Creator in the description. Yeah, I'll leave it down there in the links. So feel free to check it out, guys, and let me know in the comments, what do you think of today's video? Do you like the idea of advertising with different kinds of videos rather than just having plain like images? So let us know, guys, if you want to see more of these kind of videos. Also let me know. Until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.